Hello everyone, welcome to the sixth lecture of Maya Modeling course for beginners. From now on, the course will be very, interesting because all the theory part is over and we're going to dive inside the real modeling part. Okay, so yeah, fasten your seat belts and we are going to start right now. So what we are going to study today is how to move inside Maya, how to zoom in and out in Maya, and how to rotate inside Maya. Okay. Also, we are going to study what view is, what is top view, what is perspective view, what is side view. So we are going to study all of these things inside Maya. So the first thing, also I want to add one more thing. Like from now on, whatever thing I do, you will view this icon below. That whatever key I press, you will see here. Like if I press left click, it will show that. If I press right click, it will show here. So if you don't hear clearly what I am saying, you can clearly see here from. Okay. So first thing we are going to do right now is create a cube. We are going to create your first 3D model. So go to this poly modeling tab and click on this polygon cube. After we click on this polygon cube, you will see that a cube has been made inside Maya. Okay. So we are not going to go into the details what exactly this cube is and what are these things. We are going to see how to rotate inside Maya to see all of the sides of this cube and how to zoom in to see the cube bigger and how to move side inside Maya. So first thing we are going to learn is how to rotate. Suppose you want to see the back side of this cube. So what we are going to do is hold Alt, keep the hold of left mouse button and move your mouse. Okay. Now you can see that you are moving inside Maya. You are rotating inside Maya. This thing is called rotation. So I'm going to repeat again. Hold Alt, press left mouse button, hold it and move your mouse. And you can see all the sides of the cube. Whatever side you want to see, you can clearly see it. Now suppose I want to zoom in on this model. Like it is very small and I want to see how big it is. I want to see it bigger. So what we have to do is we have to zoom in. So how are we going to zoom in? Again, Alt key is the important part here. Again, hold Alt, press the right mouse button, hold it, and if you swipe right with your mouse, you will zoom in. If you swipe left, you will zoom out. Again, hold Alt, press the right mouse button, hold it, and zoom in and zoom out. And there you have it. Now you can zoom in and out of Maya. Now the next thing what we are going to learn is how to move inside Maya. We know how to rotate, we know how to zoom in and zoom out. But we also need one more thing and that is to move. Right? We need to pan left and right. So we are going to hold Alt, again Alt is the key here, Alt and the middle mouse button. Hold both of these things and move left. If you move left, your scene will move left. If you move right, your scene will move right. Okay, so now you have learned the basics of moving inside Maya. You know how to zoom in, you know how to rotate, and you know how to pan. Okay, so suppose I want to see the back side of this cube, so I will hold Alt, press the left mouse button and zoom in. Okay, so now what we are going to learn is what exactly views are. Okay, so in the bottom of your screen you can see it is written PERSP, right? It is written PERSP. The full form of this is perspective. Right now, this Maya scene, we call this a Maya scene, okay? And this is the workspace. We call this whole scene a Maya scene. So right now we are in a perspective mode, okay? So what perspective means is that we can see all the three sides of a model, right? We can see from this side, we can see it from this side, we can see it from this side. And what exactly these sides are? Like we studied in a 3D and 2D lecture, these sides are the y-axis, the x-axis, and z-axis. So we are in perspective view and we can see all the axes of a model. That's why this model is in perspective mode. Okay, because we can see all the three sides of this model. We can see it from this side, we can see it from this side. Now suppose if we see this model from this side, this y-axis side, how are we going to see this model? We are going to see this in top view. Right now we are in perspective view, but when we see this model from this side, this top side, it is called top view. When we see this model from this side, it is called side view, because we are seeing this model from one of the sides, right? And we generally consider the z-axis the front side. So this side is called front view. If you see from this side, this view will be called front view. Okay. We know what is top view now. If you see this from y-axis, we will see this top view, we will see this side view, and we will see this front view. But can you imagine how are we going to see in top view? If you can't imagine, don't worry, we are going to learn it right now. So we are in perspective mode. Okay. So what we are going to do right now is press space. When we press space, we can see that here it is the perspective view. But what are these views? This is written top, this is written front, and this is written side. So whatever you are going to see from here, you will see in top view. Whatever you are going to see from this side, we are going to see in side view. Whatever we are going to see from this side, okay, we are going to see this in front view. Okay, so we know what are these views. So if you again press in this, go in this window and press space, we'll again go in perspective mode. Suppose we want to go in top view, again we'll press space, and we'll go in this window and press space. And now we are in the top view. Again we will press space. After pressing space, all of these four panels will come. And if you want to go in the front view, we'll press space here. But now you will ask me, is there any simpler approach than that? Yes, there is a simpler approach than that. What you have to do is follow me. You have to press space, click the right mouse button. Okay, I have pressed space, I have hold it, and I have pressed right mouse button. Both of these buttons are right. I am holding both of these buttons right now. Now, if we want to go in perspective view, we will drag the mouse here on perspective view, and damn, we are in the perspective view. If we want to go on top view, we'll hold space, right mouse button, drag to the top view, and we're in the top view. Again, if you want to see it from the sides, hold space, the right mouse button, and right view. If you want to view it from the front view, hold space, right mouse button, and go to front view. This way you can easily access any view easily. So right now I'm going to go in perspective view. So now I have explained you a lot. I'm giving you a brief summary where we have learned to move inside Maya, rotate inside Maya, and pan, move inside Maya, zoom in and out us in a scene. Okay. And the next thing we learned is what are top view, what is a side view, what is a front view. After learning those views, we learned how to move from one view to another view just by holding space, right mouse button, right view, space, right mouse button, perspective view. Okay, we learned these things, but you're not going to become, and you're not going to adapt these things just by seeing this video. What you have to do, I'm giving you a task. What you have to do is practice all of these things. After you master these things, after you know how to rotate, how to zoom in, how to zoom out, how to move inside a scene, how to change views, do these things, become good at it, and after that go to the next lecture. And in that lecture we are going to learn more stuffs. So thank you, hope you like this lecture, and yes, have a nice day.